So welcome. We're going to prepare a dessert for you guys. So it's going to be a strawberry dessert combined with white asparagus. I love to combine very fresh things together, and well, if you get asparagus at the farmer, you also get strawberries, and I combined it because it's very fresh together. So I'm going to make a cremeux for you guys, made with this fantastic plant, citroen verbena or verbena it's called. It's very lemony, it's very fresh. So I'm going to put it in the mixer, and then of course I already have something in my plate as well, but I'm going to show you how it's made. So the mixer here. On here we have some cream, just very fat cream. We put it on, we heat it, and then we have a little bit of gelatin, soaked already, and some sugar in here, egg yolk, and the egg yolk and the sugar, that's going to be put in the mixer. And when everything is in, like this, a little bit, then turn it on. We're going to mix it. And then the second part. And of course, the last of it. All the sugar is going inside. So this one is warm already. I'm going to put it out because otherwise it's going to cook over. In here, I have some lemon juice for you guys. So it's going to be very fresh. And inside of the cremeux is not only the citroen verbena and lemon, but also I have here very special vanilla. It's Dutch vanilla from our friends from Koppelkres. And we love to work with the Dutch vanilla. Look at the size of these beans. This is very awesome. There's very, very intense flavor of the bean. Already cut it open for you guys. You see? And there's a lot of seeds inside. I'm going to take it out, and then we're going to put it inside of the cremeux. Everything going inside of this. The beans, we're going to use it for oil. So we're going to keep it. Nothing's going to in the bin, nothing going away. Everything has to be used. We don't like any waste. So the cremeux is getting very fluffy. So the egg yolk is getting very fluffy. Give it a little turn up, heat. All the cream going inside this one. I'm going to turn it very slowly. And then going to put the cream inside. It's going to mix a little bit. Then the gelatin is going in the hot pan. We can melt it, putting it back in the mixture. So we're going to put it down a little. Everything is going inside, like this. And the gelatin, of course, in here. So that's all the gelatin. Squeeze it a little. A little bit of the water going back in here. And it's going to melt. Turn it on a little bit. This is going very well. Keep it turning, just needs to melt. Do not boil the gelatin, not necessary. Just melting. So the gelatin and every leftover of the cream is going inside of here. Turn it up a little. Going to take everything out of the pan because we need everything. Oh. Like that. And then, last but not least, the lemon juice. In almost every dessert where I put in lemon juice, it's going to go in the very last, because my opinion, if you heat the lemon juice, all the freshness is going away, and we really want it in the dessert. So I'm going to put it inside after this one turns a little. Then it's very fresh crémeux. So we're just waiting for a little bit, turning around a bit more. A little bit softer. Then all the lemon juice is going in. Just turn it a little bit. Is this okay? Let me get your scraper. One here. So here you have the crémeux. This is warm. We're going to put it in a plastic one. Put it in here to set in the fridge. And if it sets, it's very, very creamy and fluffy. Going to take everything out, all the Dutch vanilla. It's amazing. All the Dutch vanilla, very, very intense flavors. So, everything is out. Put the lid on. And this one is going in the fridge. It's for later. Put it in the fridge. And I'm going to make the desserts for you guys. So when it comes out of the fridge, the crémeux, we're going to put the citroen verbena inside, well, at the very last, because this has also a very freshness. And if you mix it in a thermo blender, then it's, well, my opinion is that it's the best combination and the best flavors come out. So we're going to mix it with the citroen verbena, 37 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to put it through a sieve. Put 30 grams in this plate and put on top a slightly set jelly made out of strawberries that came out of the oven. 200 degrees, 30 minutes. And then we're going to put it on top, and then you have a very, well, creamy dessert already. I'm going to use wild strawberries as well, because I like the flavor of it. And we're going to put a little bit of the chamomile I made. It looks like a little chamomile tea. Going to infuse it a little. And we're going to, already infused it, but a little bit. We're going to put them on the dish, strawberry by strawberry. Like this. Oh, there's a little bit more strawberries, but they're on. So, putting them on the dish. I love to make desserts that you need to eat from top to bottom, so that I know everybody eats it from top to bottom. So I stack it up, and then you can eat it. So all the strawberries are on there. I'm going to put a little bit of the chamomile tea on there as well. Getting the ice cream. So we made an ice cream out of the white asparagus. And I put it in the Paco Jet, so it gets nice and creamy. Then I put 30 grams of the white asparagus ice cream inside a mold. And then I put it on the plate, like this. It fits very, very nice. We let it set just for a little bit because it's very cold, very hard as well. Just for 2-3 minutes, it's going to stand there. But for you guys, I'm going to well, finish it right now. We're going to top it off with a little cracker I made out of strawberries as well. So this is a cracker of the strawberries. We're going to put it on there. So, voila. There's your dessert. The strawberries with lemon verbena. We put on the asparagus ice cream, the crispiness of the strawberry and the wild strawberries. Enjoy.